When you search for the best double wearable breast pump, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what just looks good, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Momkazi M5 Lite. The Momkazi M5 Lite is a standout in the world of wearable breast pumps, priced at $132.99. What really caught my attention is its innovative double-fit flange, designed for baby-like comfort. If you want a pump that prioritizes comfort and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. It mimics your baby's suckling with 3 modes and 9 suction levels, reaching up to -240 mmHg. This means you can find the perfect setting that feels right for you, and the quiet motor operates under 48 dB, so you won't disturb your little one. Now, some people complained about the lack of a hard carry case, which can be a bit frustrating if you're on the go. But here's the thing, the pump's compact and lightweight nature means you can easily slip it into a bag without extra bulk, making it a minor inconvenience compared to its amazing features. This is perfect for you if you're a busy parent looking for something lightweight and effective. Skip this one if you need something with a hard case for travel. At this price, you're getting a solid value for an effective hands-free experience. Now, if that lack of a hard case bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Momkazi M5 Smart. Next up is the Momkazi M5 Smart, priced at $169.99. What really caught my eye is the Smart App Control feature, allowing you to adjust settings from your phone. If you want a pump that combines technology with convenience, this is worth a serious look. With its ultra-lightweight design, this pump fits discreetly inside your bra, making it perfect for on-the-go moms. Plus, the baby mouth suction mimics natural breastfeeding, ensuring a gentle and comfortable experience. Now, some users noted that the app sometimes disconnects, which can be a hassle. But honestly, once you get it set up, most find it super convenient, and the benefits definitely outweigh the occasional tech glitch. This is perfect for you if you love tech and want to monitor your pumping sessions. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward pump without the app features. For the price, it offers a fantastic blend of comfort and technology. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more budget-friendly choice. Product number 3, Momkazi M5 Smart Quill Gray. The Momkazi M5 Smart in Quill Gray is another fantastic option at the same price of $169.99, and it shares all the impressive features of the previous model. If you're looking for a stylish yet effective pump, this is worth a serious look. This pump has all the same Smart App Control capabilities, enabling you to customize your experience, from adjusting modes to tracking milk volume. The discreet design means you can wear it without anyone noticing, and the baby mouth suction tech creates a comfortable pumping experience, mimicking how your baby feeds. Plus, with 4 flange sizes included, you can find the perfect fit. Now, some reviewers mentioned that the app interface could be more user-friendly. I get it, tech can be tricky. But once you familiarize yourself with it, many users find it rewarding and useful for tracking their progress. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and efficient pump that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this one if you're not a fan of using apps. For the investment, it brings excellent features to the table. Now, if you're after something a bit more affordable without losing key features, let's look at our next option. Product number 4, MomMed Wearable Pump Model S21. Next, we have the MomMed Wearable Pump Model S21, priced at $109.99. What caught my attention is its leak-proof design, which is a huge deal for any pumping mom. If you want a reliable, budget-friendly pump, this is worth a serious look. This pump features 3 modes and 12 vacuum levels that mimic natural sucking, giving you a customizable experience. Its leak-proof design includes a backflow prevention membrane, ensuring your milk stays safe and clean. Plus, it's lightweight and fits discreetly in your bra, allowing you to pump without drawing attention. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit bulkier compared to other wearable pumps. While it might not be as sleek, the leak-proof feature is a lifesaver when you're juggling tasks and can't afford any spills. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and economical option. Skip this one if you need something ultra sleek and small. For the price, you're getting a solid, dependable pump. Alright, that was a great budget-friendly choice. But if you're looking for something that really focuses on comfort and efficiency, let's check out our final product. Product number 5, Momkazi M6 Mobile Style. Finally, we have the Momkazi M6 Mobile Style, priced at $199.99. What really stands out is its ideal rhythm feature, which is designed to boost milk supply effectively. If you want a pump that emphasizes comfort and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. The unique double-fit flange ensures maximum comfort and safety during use. Plus, it has a stand-up milk bowl design that simplifies pouring milk into storage bags. Now, some users found the price to be on the higher side compared to others. But here's the thing, the performance and comfort you get with this pump can justify the investment, especially if pumping is a significant part of your day. This is perfect for you if you're serious about maximizing milk supply and comfort. Skip this one if you're constrained by budget. For the features it offers, it's a worthwhile investment for dedicated nursing moms. So to wrap it up, we've covered the Momkazi M5 Lite for comfort, the Momkazi M5 Smart for tech lovers, the stylish Momkazi M5 Smart in Quill Gray, the budget-friendly MomMed Wearable Pump S21, and the efficiency-driven Momkazi M6 Mobile Style. Each has its strengths, so think about what you need most in a pump before making your choice. Happy pumping!